In a world where data is everywhere, data quality has never been more important. Poor data quality can negatively impact decisions and stop us achieving sustainable outcomes. The value of information which is managed effectively and shared securely so that people can make the best decisions is becoming increasingly well understood. But this is still relatively new for most organisations, and there is a need for the right technically minded consultants, like you, to support organisations to overcome these data quality challenges, encouraging collaboration and general upskilling of the entire industry. This video is going to show you how and why. The Gemini Principles set out the guiding values for the creation of a national system for connecting digital twins, but are designed to enable competition on delivery, encouraging innovation and development over time. Let's collaborate on the rules and compete on the game so that you can increase the value you deliver to your client. By sharing knowledge and best practice in terms that organisations can understand, consultants can develop successful partnerships and services to create the vital culture shift towards the importance of data quality. This will enable enhanced decision-making, enhance trust and security, break down barriers to sharing data, increase productivity and capability, and accelerate the path to net zero. One way consultants can enable organisations to achieve this is by preparing infrastructure owner and operator clients to support the National Digital Twin, an ecosystem of digital twins and the protocols by which they can be integrated securely and resiliently to create a data-led approach to making decisions. Offering specialist advice and guidance in the realm of capability enhancement will be key to closing the digital skills gap in the industry, leading to faster innovation and digital twin pilots across sectors. You and your teams can do this by 1. Communicating the value of data as an asset and the importance of data literacy, quality and security. 2. Breaking down internal silos between employees so that data management and the generation of intelligence for decision-making is even more seamless. We need this in place at an organisational level with infrastructure owners to better leverage the benefits of a national digital twin. 3. Developing and assisting with organisational readiness, encouraging a data-driven culture where there is learning by doing and progression by sharing. With the National Digital Twin, organisations can work collectively to solve economic, social and environmental challenges, from leveraging carbon usage data to support global initiatives like net zero, to optimising the performance of our railways and road networks. So, what's the first step and how can you prepare? The UK is developing the Information Management Framework, the IMF, that provides a common framework and shared language that will connect digital twins and enable data sharing at scale. To develop and implement the Information Management Framework, we need consultants who can develop future workforces with the right skills to support secure and resilient exchange of data across organisation and sector boundaries. Without understanding the skills and roles required for the Information Management Framework, there is a risk that organisations may deploy staff lacking the sufficient skills needed to develop their digital twins. A skills gap could also risk poorly designed digital twins, which do not support interoperability and connectivity with the Information Management Framework, or failed digital twin pilots and projects which have direct economic consequences for those organisations. Seize the opportunity to use the Skills and Competency Framework to underpin digital twin development and information management framework adoption by providing new services aligned to the Skills and Competency Framework. With the Skills and Competency Framework, you can accelerate progress, reduce the risk of digital twin failure with your clients, and ensure consistency in the approach to enable the national digital twin, and so that digital twins can be connected at scale. So what does the framework include? In the Skills and Competency Framework, we identify 12 critical skill families needed to develop and support adoption of all 3 elements of the Information Management Framework and enable the National Digital Twin. The skill families are split into business and digital, and both are equally as important. Business skills cover the soft or non-technical skills. They include how you interact with colleagues, how you solve problems, and manage your work. Digital skills cover hard or technical skills. They relate to the training or experience you have. Both these skill sets are mapped to 16 priority roles, with competency indicators making it easy to identify someone's current level of competency and how to advance it. These roles are split into organisational and national roles, and each impact the life cycle of digital twins differently from the design, build, operate, and integrate stages. Let's take a look at data architect, for example. The role profile identifies the right level of skill needed to adopt the Information Management Framework. It also includes an overview and some responsibilities. The aim of the role profile is to enable you to match the data architect with a role that already exists in your client organisation, allowing you to undertake a maturity assessment or identify training needs. Alternatively, if the role does not exist, it provides you with a starting point for hiring new talent and what to look for. You can also use the 25 competency scorecards, which represent the extended lists of roles with your team and leaders to assess current maturity levels easily and often, measure progress and understand how ready you are to adopt the Information Management Framework, and identify the next steps of your team's journey. By understanding what the Information Management Framework consists of and what is needed to support it, as a consultant, you can steer your clients down a route that enables them to generate the maximum benefit out of their data and the surrounding data ecosystem. The Information Management Framework can be split into 3 parts: Foundation Data Model, Reference Data Library, and Integration Architecture, each needing specific skills and roles to make it a reality. Element 1 of the Information Management Framework is the Foundation Data Model, the relationship creator and structure, often referred to as an ontology for sharing and validating data. Element 2 is the Reference Data Library to enable secure sharing of high-quality data by using a common language for describing digital twins. And lastly, Element 3 is the Integration Architecture, or the glue that holds everything together. It is how digital systems are designed and built to manage the connected digital twins. What can you do today? Visit the CDBB website today to read the Skills and Competency Framework. Prepare to advise on the Information Management Framework by upskilling your consultant teams on information management and what the industry needs. Join the Digital Twin Hub to share best practice and ideas on upskilling the infrastructure workforce.